What's up YouTube? In today's video we'll be taking a look at Windows 2000, almost 20 years after its release in December 14th, 1999. So we'll be using it in a VM like in my last video, where we used it in a VM, well, not Windows 2000, but XP we used in a VM. So we'll just be taking a look at how usable it is in 2019. And yeah, I said usable because I'm gonna go back to my old video titling because those videos got thousands, and anything without that title seems to not have as many views. So we'll just be taking a quick look at IE6. I mean, not 6. Oh wait, it is 6. Which I'll even look, you can already see that Bing is messed up, but pretty much nothing loads at all. I remember Facebook used to load on it back in like 2012. But, oh shoot, just searched it, but you'll pretty much get nothing. See, page cannot be displayed. Or I'll try my own website, which is heavy. I can't even get it to load on Pale Moon, which has a good browser, HTML5 score on this. Which you probably wouldn't want to use IE6 in 2019 because it's insecure and has a really low HTML5 score. So yeah, you wouldn't want to use it. Some sites will load, but you'll just get an unsupported browser message. The only ones I was ever able to use was my Wi-Fi modem admin page on this, and maybe my school login, which actually surprisingly work in IE6. Which we're going to go to Pale Moon now. Opera, don't really want to use it for this video. So we'll be using Pale Moon in this video to do all this stuff, which it can access most modern websites. I've already did like hours of testing earlier today. So according to HTML5test.com, it scores 354 out of 55 points, which is actually higher than IE11, which is the latest supported version of Internet Explorer for Win 7, 8, 8.1, and 10. So this actually makes this a pretty good browser, which I think it's 26.5 is the version number. Forgot to show that. Oh shoot, and I kinda wanna go to a computer and click properties just quickly to show you that it is a VM, which you obviously seen in its Service Pack 4, so the absolute latest updates. Like, can we watch a YouTube video? Because I tried to watch YouTube earlier and it really buffered hardcore. But I'd like to see if I can view my new intro on here. Since it doesn't have me talking, I'm fine with viewing it. Because I know IE11 still plays YouTube just fine. And this has a higher HTML5 score, which may not matter, but kind of hope it does. And yeah, YouTube's freezing up again. Some sites I visited freezes up, so I'm actually just gonna go to another site. Like, sites like Facebook should work. And it is not going there. I tried Instagram on this, it didn't work, but it does work on, oh shoot, where's computer? It does work on, Opera, though. I'll just show a screenshot quickly. Luckily, this computer is fast enough to run this. Okay, where's the screenshot? I'm very sure I saved it to this. Okay, yeah, I did not save it to this. It's probably in documents and settings. All users. Oh shoot, I can't find it now. Come on. Should be in my recent screenshots. Oh yeah, Instagram on Win2K. So this is like I did get it to load in Opera, which surprisingly that worked. It was messed up, but most of the features worked when I tested it, which was surprising. Because I remember last time I used Win2K with Opera, Instagram didn't load at all. Maybe there's an update that makes it work now. So now I'll get up, I'll see if Facebook even works on this. And yeah, I don't care if my phone number is showing off there, because I'll just block your number if you try to call me. Now let's see if I can log in. My feed's really huge, so it may take long because of how many pages I follow. Okay, it's still loading. Yeah, this is taking long. So we'll go to other sites. One site I couldn't get the load on Opera or Firefox 10 was Tesla's website, which actually works on this, but it's messed up. Wonder when Elon will make it compatible with older browsers. I notice all the auto manufacturer websites never load in old browsers, though it's probably because they have the configurators. Oh shoot, I forgot to go slash n-ca since it would be Canada's site. Okay, I just got a 404. But I'll just set myself to Canada and try to configure one. Because it's the configurator that's all messed up. Or may not work. And how come I always make videos about web browsers? Even my most viewed videos about web browsers, except it has more dislikes than likes, which sucks. But I mean, I don't really only care about the views. Because then, for some reason, that gives me a little bit of a better rep at school. And I guess I'm #1 YouTuber in my school as well, which is out of 1,000 students. Okay, I can't even view this. Okay, now everything's messing up. I tried music streaming and video streaming. That unfortunately doesn't work. We'll see if Apple's website works. I know it does. I was even able to sign in, which is something I couldn't do in Opera. So maybe we'll try to configure a Mac or something. Wish I could configure the new cheese grater Mac though. And after seeing people calling it the cheese grater Mac, that gave me a future video idea. It's stupid, but it'll probably be a good video idea and probably get me views. So we'll just see if I can actually configure anything. Because I know an Apple site's full of animations too, which will makes it probably load a bit slower. And is it freezing up again? You can also check out the other programs while we're at it. Because I configured this to have a gigabyte of RAM, so So it should be fine with running multiple applications, even though it's only using one core. And the calculator, actually kind of like this basic calculator. And it's quite easy to use too. This is much more user friendly in my opinion than Windows 10 is. Especially how all the settings are straightforward too. They're all easy to access. So I'm just gonna figure a highest end model for no reason. I hope this video isn't getting too long. Never actually checked that yet. Just looking at the time, I think it's been 10 to 15 minutes already. Oh man, my videos must be boring now when I think about it, because I just talk and talk and talk and hardly do anything. Just noticed that. Okay, now that's one expensive laptop, that's for sure. What else sites are there? I know YouTuber merch sites work fine in this too. But I think all Shopify sites would work though, because then I just clicked view source and found out that Mr. Beast's merch store is actually just a Shopify site. So yeah, this site works fine. Oh, by the way, if you just like watching random stuff and challenges, definitely subscribe to Mr. Beast. So what else should we be able to do? Well, I mean, with the HTML5 score of 354, I think we're fine with the web browser. We'll actually go to basic tasks now. So what do we get here? We get Notepad, which has been the same since Windows 1.0 in 1985. It's pretty much been the same since then. Like they've literally never updated the thing. It's only been a modernized look and that's it. And we obviously have Paint. Something I've also used in my childhood, but not that much. And I'm really bad at Paint. Yeah, it looks like SVR, not sub YouTube that I'm writing. Oh shoot, I forgot a U. Okay, yeah, my drawing skills suck, but I'm gonna save this so I remember it from this video. And what else do we get here? We do get Minesweeper, which is a classic, and I kinda suck at this. I always click the mines at some points. Like, but I just click random though, it's probably why, and I absolutely don't know how to play Minesweeper. Something I've never really played, and then is an on-screen keyboard, which I didn't know has been around for so long. On-screen keyboards, many people think were a thing that smartphones brought, but nope, well, actually there was smartphones because the first Blackberries in 2000, well, late 99, but they used physical keyboards. So we do get the CD player, Windows Media Player, but I got nothing to use in those. then Solitaire, which I have absolutely no idea how to play. So, what else do we get to use? Oh, we do have Wordpad, which is basically a free, because Wordpad is, oops. Oh wait, R does want run. Like it's basically, oh, why are the keys shortcuts? Can't even use WordPad because of that damn thing. And there's not that many modern programs I can find. The only modern program I found was CPU-Z and Pale Moon that actually still support this old OS. Yeah, see, and it is obviously a VM again because there is no single Core Apollo Lake Celeron in existence. Yeah, shoot, do I have a picture I can open up? Where's my computer? One thing I don't like about this outdated OS though is that it opens pictures in IE, which for some reason I just don't like. And it's probably gonna shrink right away. Usually it does. See? And this is an edited picture, by the way. I took this like late at night on a road trip. I just made it slightly brighter, probably one of my best edited shots, but most of my shots are unedited. Oh, and by the way, these are 4K photos that I'm actually opening, and it does a good job at opening them, but it shrinks it once it's loaded. Wait, can I actually set as background from here? Oh yeah, I actually can, except it's zoomed in. Probably because the image is too large for the thing 10 to... Oh! Where's Snoop Dogg? I just noticed the time is 4:20 a.m. Wish Snoop Dogg was here right now. Well, I think this is it. So remember to be sure to like and subscribe, and maybe take a look at my website if you like. So this is the end, and peace. Well, and be sure to like and subscribe, and peace out.